All right. Okay. I think in the last class, what we have gone through, any idea? Huh? But you have any idea on what we have gone through the class?
Yes, what is cloud computing and the advantages and drawbacks
Yeah.
and the categories of the cloud and the
Right.
models available on the cloud.
Yeah. Good. Thank you. All right. So we have gone through what is cloud, right? So basically, what is cloud stands. So what are the different cloud models we have? Okay, and categories of the cloud computing, and what is SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS model, and the important characteristics of the cloud computing, right? And the limitations. What are the limitations with the? So these are like fundamentals. So if you understand these, then you are well and good. Okay. Getting questions from you regarding these, whatever we have discussed in the day one class, right? Okay, but please try to understand what it is exactly. All right. Any questions with yesterday's class?
No, okay. Thanks.
Okay. All right. Then we will go with the day two class again. Let me share my screen. Guys, let me know if you are able to see my screen or any challenges. Please feel free to tell me. Hope everyone able to see my screen.
Yes, it is visible.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Okay. Now coming back to the Azure, right? So yesterday we have seen the cloud computing options, all the cloud related options. So mainly we have three market leaders in the cloud. The first one is AWS, okay, and the second one is Azure, and the third one is Google, GCP. We call it as a Google Cloud Platform, right? Okay. So how we are telling? So we have the statistics, right? I'll take you through the statistics. Hope you are able to see my screen. Done.
Yes.
All right. Okay. Now let's try to concentrate. Okay. If you take the Q3 quarter three of 2025, okay. So what is exactly? Let's suppose you consider 100%. Out of 100%, the major stakeholder or major business is with AWS. Okay. Major web services, which is almost 29% of the market. Okay. And the second place is occupied by, observe guys, second place is Azure. Right? Azure is Azure is a Microsoft product. Correct? So we are in the second place, not in a bad position, right? Second largest. The third place is Google. Done, and then followed by a lot of other clouds like Alibaba Cloud, Oracle, Salesforce, maybe IBM Cloud, tenant cloud like this. There are a lot of other cloud providers in the market. These are called public cloud providers. All right. So now our target is mainly three who are like a top three, right? Okay, we are in the second place. Yes, well and good. Right. And the beauty of the cloud is, I want to discuss this point. Okay. And the beauty of the cloud is, if you learn either one of the cloud, rest of clouds also the similar pattern. Okay. Rest of the clouds also similar pattern. But what is the challenge? The challenge is the terms are the naming of the future will be vary. Are you getting my point? Okay. Here maybe they call it as one name. In the AWS they call it as a different name, and Azure they might call it as a different name, and in the Google they might call it as a different name. But the future is same. Clear? Guys, is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, clear.
Okay. The advantage with the cloud is if you learn one cloud, so it is easy to work with the other cloud also. What is the difference? Only the naming standards. All right. So I'm going to learn the Azure, sir. So do you teach me AWS also? No, sir. I'm not going to teach AWS. Okay. But however, if you want to start working with AWS also, it is easy because whatever you are following in the Azure, similar way it will be there in the AWS also. But what is the challenge? The challenge with the naming, right? So why the naming, sir?
Is that a question?
Uh-huh. Why the naming? They don't keep the same name because of the
Because everyone wants to keep the uniqueness with their product.
that is one thing, and the second thing is copyrights, right? They have the copyrights. So if somebody use the same name, they have to pay for the copyrights. That's the reason why they call it with a different name. You getting the point? Clear?
Yes, yeah. Clear, Vishan.
All right. So that is the reason why naming may be vary in the other clouds, but the feature will be the same. All right. Okay. Now, now the next part is fine. Okay. All right. So now, okay, fine, well and good, sir. Now I want to sign up to the Azure account, right? Because in order to use the Azure, I must have a Azure account. Okay. I'll take one best example to understand you easily. So what is the best example? Let me take you to the one of the example. What is the example? Okay. I'll tell you. Okay. So in order to, let's suppose on your daily basis or on your regular basis or maybe for your things. So what you do? You will, let's suppose you will create a Flipkart account. Flipkart or Amazon, okay, or Mindra or okay, Meesho or maybe Book My Show account. There are a lot of accounts, right? Book My Show, correct? Or in order to travel, you will use a different account, right? For your Ola account or for your Uber account or Rapido account, right? So why you are using different account, different these online sites, right? Are different. These are called vendors, right? You may using the different vendors at different sites in order to use their services. You have to sign up. Okay, right. I'll take one example. Flipkart. Okay, so in order to use the Flipkart service, what you have to do? Well, in order to use the Flipkart, can you use it directly?
No, we'll have to sign up by giving a mobile
Ah,
number or email ID.
Correct, right? Okay. They'll ask you a few details. Correct? Okay.
Yes.
What are the details they might ask you? Your name, correct? Your phone number, okay? Your address, okay? Right? And followed by the your payment details, right? Like your credit or debit card details, right? Right or wrong?
Yes. Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now the question. So why we need to give these details? If I don't give these details, can I use the services?
For the security and
No.
using of services.
Correct? Because they want to understand who you are. So what is the phone number that you want to use it? Or where is your address, right? And the payment. This is also mandatory, right? So either you want to pay for via card, or there is an option like COD, cash on delivery, or they call it as a cash on delivery, right? Cash on delivery or through cash payment. Leave over that cash payment. Okay, but these details are mandatory. Okay, all right. So everyone understand? Any questions? So while you are trying to sign up any services, you have to fill the necessary details. Right or wrong? Okay. Let me take one more example to understand in a better way. All right. Have you ever signed up? I hope you guys have this kind of subscription, like a Netflix, or Disney Hotstar, or Prime, or some other whatever you like. Okay. Have you signed up to these things in your, maybe most of the guys they might sign up. If not, okay, that's okay, not a problem. I'll teach you. Don't worry. Okay, but many of you come across through our YouTube, right? Many of you guys come across through these applications, right? So what they do provide basically they're related to the entertainment, right? Like movies or any web series, whatever. Correct? Right or wrong?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Mhm.
Yes.
Okay. So I need to talk one important factor here so that you will understand. Okay. Now, Netflix or YouTube or Amazon Prime account, right? So what they will do at the time of sign up. Okay. First thing is you need to sign up. Okay. In order to sign up, they'll ask you, you must have a phone number, right? Your name and your account. Phone number, you can use your account with the phone number
Gmail.
or email ID, correct? Phone number or email, right? Okay. Then your password, right or wrong? Okay. After this, your name is first factor, right? Name is first. Okay. All right. Then your address for communication or whatever the details they are looking for. Okay. And while coming to the payments, there is one very, 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 very important factor. So what is this? Okay. We call it as you can sign up freely. That's a different part. You can sign up for freely. Okay. Any account you can sign up for freely. But what is the challenge? But you cannot use their services until unless you hold a proper subscription. Right or wrong? Okay, you have Amazon account. Yes. Can you use the Amazon services? No. Until unless you have a valid subscription. So what is the meaning of the subscription? What is the meaning of the subscription? Subscription, they'll tell you like we have different subscriptions. They call it as a student subscription, okay, or annual subscription, or monthly subscription, right? Correct, right or wrong? Have you ever signed up like this?
Yeah.
There's a subscription. First,
Yes,
what
as per
they'll say?
our need, we have to take a subscription.
Correct, right or wrong? Okay. First, what they tell? First 1 month is for free, right or wrong? Have you ever signed up to YouTube? They'll give you 3 months for free. Have you ever signed up to Netflix? They'll give for first 1 month free. If you sign up for Netflix or Prime, they'll give 1 month for free. Okay, why they give 1 month for free? Because if you like their services, you can continue from the next month. From next month onwards, it will be a paid service, not for the free. First 1 month, it is free. First 1 month means 30 days. Clear? Any questions?
No.
Questions?
No.
Any questions? No questions, right?
Yes.
Okay. This subscription free 1 month they given, we call it as a free subscription, right? After 1 month, if you like the services, yes, you can continue. If you don't like the services, you can quit the services. Okay. If you don't quit the services, what will happen, sir? From 31 onwards, day 31 onwards, your bill will be started. Right? So there will be a clear cut condition while at the time of signing up the application, or while at the time of signing up to the this particular accounts, they will clearly tell 0 to 30 days it is free. From 31 days it will start. Okay. So in order to sign up to get the 1 month subscription, or in order to get the subscription, what they will ask? They will ask mandatory things like your credit card details. Right? So try to sign up, sir. You will see all of these things. Many of you come across these options. Right? Okay. If not, okay, it is well and good, sir. Leave it. I'll take you through. Right? Any questions, sir? Any questions?
No.
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 Okay.
No.
So this is a general. I'm in whatever I spoke as of now. This is a general terms. Are general related to any kind of subscription that you want to take it. Okay. Now, same way, if you want to use Azure is also a service, right? Azure is also a service. Okay. Try to follow me, sir. This is very, very important. In order to use the Azure services, yes, you have to follow the same similar pattern. Same similar pattern. Right. So why we need to follow the same similar pattern? Because this is also a Azure is also a service. So what kind of service? It's a cloud service. So now in the cloud, you want to create the services, you want to use the services, you must have to sign up with the Azure. Right. So in order to sign up with the Azure, you must have to follow the certain their sign up things. So if you don't know, then I'll teach you. Okay. The first important factor, or the first important thing in order to sign up with Azure, you must have a phone number. Sir, I don't have phone number. Sorry, sir, I cannot do anything. Nowadays, everyone is holding the phone, right? Mobile. Without phone number, who is there? Okay. So whoever want to get a job, they must have a phone number, right? So now phone number is mandatory. Okay. And the next very, very important thing, you must have a credit card. Okay, here the question comes. Sir, I don't have credit card, sir. Okay. Sir, I don't have credit card. I am not using credit card. Sorry, sir, I cannot help you anything on this. Okay. In order to use not only AWS, in order to use the AWS or Google Cloud or Azure, This credit card thing is mandatory. Okay, sir. Now, how to get the credit card, sir? Okay, lend it from your friends, relatives, friends, relatives, brothers, sisters, and try to apply one credit card. Okay, right. Clear, everyone? Any questions?
No.
Okay, credit card is mandatory, sir. Okay.
We
Sometimes, yes.
can we use debit card for this?
The next question, I am going to answer the same question.
Okay.
Okay. Debit card, sir. Debit card. Okay. Sometimes it will accept. Okay. I'll say that it's a 50-50% chances. Sometimes they may accept the debit card also, but I am not giving the guarantee for the debit card. It's not by me. If I am going to approve it, I'll approve it. It's not by me. It's by the Microsoft. Okay. If they accept, well and good. If they don't accept, you have to sign up with the credit card only. In some cases, they don't accept with the debit card. In some cases, they will accept with the debit card. Clear, everyone? So some cases they will accept, sir. Some cases they don't accept. It's not depends on my. It's not the my service. It is the Microsoft services. So try to use the credit card. Clear?
Yes.
Clear.
Yeah.
So okay. And sir, credit card, you have a lot of credit cards, sir. So what type of credit card you have to use? This is again a very important thing. Okay. The credit card type must be Visa or MasterCard only. Visa or MasterCard. So open your credit card, check on top of your credit card on the top top right, right of the bottom, your card bottom, you will see the card type as Visa or MasterCard only. Why I'm telling exclusively? There are a lot of other card types like a RuPay card, RuPay, or there will be some other card, OnePay, One Account, some different things.
Yeah. Amex.
They don't accept. Sorry?
Yeah, there is Amex also we can use, right?
Amex. Yeah. Amex. Sorry, no. Not allowed. They don't accept, sir. Only your card must be Visa or MasterCard. Clear? Because Visa and MasterCard are international cards. They accept only international, right? Because RuPay, these are Indian related. They don't accept at all. Okay? Check your card type must be Visa or MasterCard only. Am I clear to everyone? Any questions? Please let me know. Any questions, sir? Please let me know, sir.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, suppose if I have multiple credit cards, then I can create multiple accounts.
Yes, sir. You can create multiple accounts. I'll tell you the next thing. I'll tell all the questions, sir. Don't worry. Okay. Try to understand this one. Any questions? Let me know. I'll take you to the next questions. I know all the questions. Right. Any questions, sir? Till now, any questions? Let me know.
No.
No, sir.
Okay. Good. Fine. Next. Yeah.
Can you use a credit card twice? As you said, Visa or MasterCard.
Sorry, I did not get your question. Come again.
Can we use our credit card twice for an Azure account? I mean, once we use
I'll tell you. Don't worry. Okay. All right. Fine. Everything is okay. Well and good. All right. Okay. So I'll tell you, sir. Next thing. Okay. Sir, I have a credit card. That credit card or my friend's credit card, he already used it for Azure account. Can I use the same Azure credit card for my account creation? Right? This is the question many persons will have. Yes, sir, you can use it. But what is the challenge? Okay. The first challenge is The first challenge is, okay, if the credit card you are using for the first time by you or your friend, whoever they use it, that's considered as a first time. Okay, for the first time, if you use any card to swipe, like a signing in, you will get a free subscription. Free subscription. Free subscription is nothing but you are a new user. They'll consider you are as a new user because you are signing up with a different card. Okay, right. Here, lot of things you will mess up. I know that. Sir, I am going to use that. Can I use the same Outlook account? Here, I'll told you like phone number and followed by your email ID or your email ID. Something you need to sign up, right? Or username. Okay. This username, let's suppose you are using some email ID. That same email ID already it is existed on the Azure, right? You are trying with the same card. They'll consider it as a duplicate, right? They'll consider it as a duplicate. Then what will happen? They don't accept the free account if already used. Okay, this combo won't work. And the next combo. Okay, fine, sir. Now I am very good, sir. I'll use a different email ID and same card. Sorry, sir. This combo also it won't work because already card is used, right? Because this data, the card's data, they will store in their database. Okay, well at the time of signing up, they'll check whether this card is existed with them or not. If the card is existed, yes, they don't take it, sir. They'll straight away your free subscription, it won't be granted. A free subscription will not be allowed. You can subscribe with other things. That is a different part. Leave about. Okay, free subscription is valid only with the new card or whichever is not used for the first time. Clear? Okay, now another $1 million question. Sir, are they going to store my data or my credit card details? Is it going to harm to me or my account is going to be they do something? No, sir, because it's a not saved by any untrusted organization. It is saved by Microsoft, sir. Microsoft is safe and secure. You don't need to worry on that part. Clear? So, but this is mandatory, sir. You cannot do anything without account. You cannot work with the Azure. So, in order to work with the Azure, you must have to sign up. In order to sign up, you must have the credit card. So, these are the process, sir. Okay, yeah, please go ahead. Somebody is raising the question. Yeah.
Yeah, yes, this is Reena. Actually, I just wanted to ask, so while signing up, that will ask our country and the state and like right details. So while we are
Yes.
entering the payment details as a credit card or a debit card, that that
Mhm.
ask the card holder address details also?
Card holder address details they don't ask. So what is well at the time of giving the credit card details? So what do you give anywhere any application? It's common. There is no
Okay.
related to the only Microsoft. It will ask for the different details. Okay, for any application, while at the time of payment details, it will ask you for the main details like a credit card, like a card holder name, month and expiry date, and card number. That's
The
it.
reason I'm asking this question because when I did this for AWS, that was asking the address details of a card holder. And
No, no,
actually,
it will
my
ask you.
so yeah, no, actually, I had an issue and I raised the issue with the AWS, and later they have fixed it actually. But I'm saying to say, does that the same process here as well, or this is something different?
No,
We
no,
have
no,
it
no,
in it.
not
No,
like
right? Oh, okay, okay, yeah.
no. But
Okay.
address you have to fill in the address fields, not in the these
The card
payment
holder section,
card
payment
holder
hold.
name. No need, no
Okay,
need.
okay, okay. Yeah, okay. Thanks.
Clear? Okay. So now these are the mandatory details. You have to fill this, right? Okay. Now you everyone understand the combo like a same account name and different card. Yes, it is a new card. Yes, you can use it for the free subscription. If the same card already used and you want to use it one more time, sorry, you cannot use it. It will throw an error saying that this card is already used. Clear, everyone? Any questions? Let me know.
No questions from my side.
Okay, thank you. All right. Fine. Okay. Now coming back to the subscriptions. Okay. So what are the different subscriptions Azure is offering? They are mainly offering 4 types of subscriptions. Right. What are those? The first one is free subscription. Right? Free subscription. So what is this free subscription? I'll discuss, guys. Don't worry. I'll discuss. Okay. Free subscription. Student subscription. Pay as you go. Pay as you go. Subscription. And the final one is enterprise. Okay. So what are these? What is the advantage? What is the why they have come up with the 4 subscriptions? Understand, right? Free subscription. What is the free subscription? We already told. If you sign up with the credit card for the first time, you will get the 30 days as the free. 30 days as the free subscription. Within the 30 days, you will get, what are the advantages, guys? You will get, okay, you will get around 15,000 INR limitation. Okay, around 15,000 INR. It is roughly $800, not 800. 800 into $1,000, I think so. $1,000. $100, 20. How much the dollar in it? Around 92, 93, right? Okay. In INR, if you convert 15,000 INR. Okay. Right? Clear? So everything you will get 15,000, not 100, 15,000 INR. Clear? So 15,000 INR, you will get the limitation. Sir, what is this INR, sir? How this INR will be calculated? And all, I'll tell you. So let's suppose you create any service. Okay, ABC service you create. For this ABC service, the cost will be reduced from this cost. Clear? Sir, clear? This is for free subscription, sir. Okay. For free subscription, there is some limitations. You cannot create all the services with the free subscription. Okay. There is some limitation with the free service. Clear? Any questions? Please let me know. Free subscription, they have some limitations because everything you cannot create with the free service. Okay. Why they have to give everything for freely? No. Only for limited services, they will give they will allow you to create. Okay. What is the free subscription validity? 30 days of validity with 15,000 INR. Okay. And the next important factor. Sir, after 30 days, what will happen, sir? This is a very, very, very big question. After 30 days, your account will remain same. Your account remains same, but you cannot use the credits because credits will be expired automatically after 30 days. Either you use or don't use, your credits will be expired after 30 days. Your account remains same, but you cannot use the credits after 30 days. Okay. Sir, now my question. Today, 25th. If I sign up by today, 25th, next month by 24, your account credits will be expired. but your account will be the same. Your account will be existed. Then in order to work with the Azure, so sir, I want to continue to work with Azure. Then you have to upgrade your subscription from free to like a pay-as-you-go subscription or enterprise subscription. So enterprise generally they don't give for individuals, it is for organizations. Only you have the possibility to upgrade it to the pay-as-you-go subscription. I'll tell you, sir, what is pay-as-you-go and all. Okay, in order to like let's suppose you want to continue to work with the Azure, or in order to create services in the Azure, after 30 days, what you have to do, you have to upgrade your subscription to the pay-as-you-go subscription so that you can create the services in the Azure. Clear? Okay. If you don't upgrade, what will happen, sir? Your account will be there, but you cannot create any service. That is the challenge. Hope so everyone is clear. Any questions? Let me know. Free subscription is valid for 30 days only. Today 25th. If you log in by today, next month 24th, your account, the credits will be expired, but your account will be remain. If the no credits means you cannot create the any services in the Azure. So then how to create the services, sir? I want to continue with the Azure services. I'm happy with the Azure services. I want to continue with the Azure services. Then what is the option that you have? You have to upgrade your subscription to the pay-as-you-go subscription. Clear? This is for individuals, sir. I'm talking about the individuals because we are individual. For organizations, no need to worry on the subscription part because they'll use this enterprise subscription. Clear? Any questions? Let me know. Sir, I'll show you practicals also, sir. Don't worry. I'll show you the practicals also. Yeah, please.
I have one question. Suppose if we have to practice all DBA concept, then free account is not enough for practice all DBA concept, no? So I have to pay some money from my side for practicing all DBA concept.
Yes, exactly.
So
Okay.
how much approx how much I have to spend?
You have to spend around 2 to 3K INR.
Okay.
Right. So I'll take you through, don't worry. Like how you can minimize the bill, how to practice all the sessions or whatever you want to practice in the Azure. Right? You can do with the minimal things with the 2 to 3K of spending.
Okay. Thank you.
2 to 3K. 2000 to 3000 INR only. If you don't follow my instructions and if you do it in your own way, your bill may be increased.
Okay.
Right? But however, I am going to help you. Right? So for the first time, let's suppose your bill is 10K. You don't know. You forgot to delete the services. You forgot to drop the services. You kept it like this for 1 month or something. You can request Microsoft saying that I'm a new user. So something I have done. I haven't deleted the services. Can you exclude this? They'll give two chances. First and second chance, they will exclude the services. They will try to waive off your charges. 1 or 2 times only. From the third time, if you done the same mistake and if you request also, they don't consider. Because I came across all of these things. That's why I'm telling you. I came across all of these things. One time my bill was around 10K because I have created the services and I forgot. The bill was, it's keep on generating in the backend, right? They don't know either you are using the services or not. The moment you created the services, it means that it is in use. I just kept it for like 2 weeks. The bill was around 10K. Then I have requested Microsoft. They waived off. Second time also it happened in the same way, and they waived off. For the third time, again the bill was around 3 to 4K. So I requested them. They said clearly no. 2 times they already given the exclusion. Third time they don't give the exclusion. Then I paid from my pocket. Right? So now understand the criticality. So if you done the mistake 1 or 2 times, they'll exclude, but not for every time. Okay, I'll tell you how to minimize the bill and all. Don't worry on this part. Right. Okay. Now coming back to the free subscription, this is when you want to when you want to get when you want to utilize this free subscription, your card must not be used. You have to use it for the first time, then only you will get this free subscription with 30 days of validity, around 15,000 INR, and Your account will be valid for 30 days only. After 30 days, you cannot use this. You cannot use this, and only your account will be remains. You have to sign up, or you have to upgrade it to the next subscription called pay as you go subscription. Right. Fine. Then the student subscription. The student subscription is not applicable to us. Why? Because this is purely for the students. What is meaning of the student? Like whoever is pursuing their or whoever is studying their UG or PG program, under graduation or post graduation program. For them only it is applicable. In order to sign up or in order to get the subscription, you have to follow the very biggest thing, that is called, you need to have the your university email ID is required. Sir, what is your university email ID? Let's suppose you are from JNTU Delhi, Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University, Delhi. This JNTU Delhi email ID is required. They'll send one verification code to your email ID. That verification code you have to input, which is not possible, right? If you are not using or if you are not studying the UG or PG program, how will you get their email ID, or how they will create your email ID, or how you are going to create your email ID with JNT University, right? Not possible, right or wrong?
Yes.
Yes.
It's not wrong. Okay,
Yes, correct.
that's why the student subscription is not applicable. So if you are a student, then if you have a valid email ID of your university, then you can use this. If not, sorry, this is not applicable. You cannot use it. Right. So if anybody is students, then let me know. I'll help out how to sign up with the student subscription. Okay. So what is advantage with the student subscription? With student subscription, you will get 1 year of the 1 year. 1 year they'll give the validity. Okay. And with $100 credit only. $100 credit. No need to have any credit card or debit card. No need to sign up with credit or debit card, because students may not have the debit or credit card, right? That's why you no need to use with the credit and debit card. Only you require a valid university email ID. So, but this account is valid for 1 year. Clear? Sir, clear, sir?
Yes. Yes.
But
Yes.
free
Yes.
subscription 1 month. Student
Yeah.
subscription 1 year with $100 credit. Yeah, please. Somebody is raising. Any questions?
No
Okay, done.
question. Actually, I just want to give you reply that understood.
Okay, thank you. All right. So now pay as you go subscription. This is a very, very, very important subscription. And most of the times we'll use the same subscription only. Why? Because this is the most friendly, budget oriented, and for self or individuals, this subscription is very, very helpful and useful, right? Pay as you go subscription. What is meaning of the pay as you go? So how much you are using, you are going to pay for that much only. That is called pay as you go. So how much services that you are utilizing, that for that only you need to pay. That is called pay as you go subscription. So what is the terms and conditions with the pay as you go subscription? There is no terms and conditions. So you have to sign up with the pay as you go service, pay as you go subscription. Your monthly bill will be generated and you have to clear the monthly bill. It's like a post-paid service. So what is meaning of the post-paid service? First you use the service, then you pay for the service, right? So what is meaning of the pay-as-you-go service? Pay-as-you-go service is it's a monthly service. Every month your bill will be generated. So once the bill will be generated, it will be debited from your credit card. From your credit card, your balance will be debited, right? This is a monthly subscription. Clear, sir? Any questions, sir? Let's suppose I don't use anything for next 30 days. You don't need to pay, right? If you used,
Yes.
then your account will be charged from the, they'll try to get the, and they will try to debit from your credit card. Done? Any questions? So pay as you go is a most commonly used, or we are going to use this. Okay, because class will take at least 2 months to complete. So in 2 months, 1 month only free subscription. After 1 month, you have to upgrade your service to the, or you have to upgrade your subscription to the pay as you go subscription, so that you can continue, or you can at least create the services in the Azure. So don't worry, sir. So for the entire classes from day 1 to day ending, it will take at least 2 to 3K only. 2000 to 3000 INR. 2000 to 3000 INR, sir. So this is mandatory, sir. Sir, I cannot spend 2 to 3K also. Sir, then don't come for Azure, sir. Okay. This is a mandatory, sir. You have to spend. Nobody will not give free services, right? Okay. 2 to 3 INR, 2 to 3K INR you have to spend to learn the Azure. Right. Sir, is there any way to get it for free? Yes, sir. That is for only 30 days with the 15,000 INR. But the challenge is you must have a credit card which was not used earlier, or which was for the first time you are using. Then only you'll get the 1 month subscription. After 1 month, anyhow, you have to get it or you have to upgrade it to the pay as you go subscription only. Clear?
Yes. If we did any practice for as this class will go for 2 months approximately, then if we did some practice on it, and if we want to keep that practice, for that also we have to pay it, right? Or means they will charge anything if we don't do anything, just we have did our task and we have saved it in the account.
No, sir. There is
No,
no
right?
such policy at all.
Okay.
Today, if you sign up with the free subscription, the day one is
Hmm.
counted. Okay. Then some guys will tell like, sir, after 30 days, after 1 month, I'll start the practice. No, that is not allowed. I know that you guys won't practice then. Okay. The moment I tell, try to sign up, you have to sign up. Okay. 1 month, after 1 month, your credits are expired. Okay. Upgrade to the pay as you go. Right? At least you have to spend some amount to learn the Azure, right? So nothing for free, sir. Okay. So whatever they have given, use it, then upgrade it to the pay as you go account, continue the practice. Okay. So why I'm telling you exclusively to practice? If you don't practice, once you went to the organization, you may face lot of challenges, right? This is going to be the completely new interface. So sometimes you don't understand where the option is available, right? So that's the reason why you should be very familiar with the interface. That's why you need a practice. Clear? Okay.
Yes.
All right. And the next important, the very, very important enterprise subscription, which is not applicable for us. Because why it is not applicable? Because this subscription is purely created for organizations. So or who want to purchase or who want to create the bulk services like organizations, not for individuals. This is applicable for the organizations, not for the individuals. Like you, like me, or like any individual persons, this kind of subscription is not valid. We cannot take this subscription because this subscription is created for organizations. Okay, who want to create 100 services or 1000 services, or who want to do the bulk kind of creations in the Azure model, for them only this subscription is applicable. This is very, very important, sir. 4 subscriptions. Okay, free subscription, student, pay as you go, and enterprise subscription. For the first month, if you use a credit card, free subscription is valid. Student subscription only for the students, not for us. And pay as you go subscription, yes, you can use this. But what is the pay as you go subscription? It will be generated monthly bills, and every month you have to clear the bill. Right. If I don't clear the bill, what will happen? Your services will be suspended. It means that you cannot create any services in the Azure model. That's it. Okay. And the enterprise subscription is, it is created for organizations, not for individuals. Individuals pay as you go, or free subscription, or student subscription. For enterprises, purely for the organizations. Clear, sir? Clear? Any questions?
Clear, clear.
Yes,
No.
it's
Yeah,
clear.
clear.
Okay, thank you. All right. So that what I have clearly discussed here. Okay, free subscription. A free subscription can be created within a email account and the credit card that includes $200 credit, so which is approximately equal to 15,000 INR. Right. So now for the first days, free limited access. For the 12 days, when convert to pay as you go subscription, you can use it. But free subscription, you cannot use it. Right? Okay. Pay as you go subscription. It generate a monthly bill, monthly charging depends on the amount of cloud resources that you have used. So how many cloud resources that you have created, based on that your monthly will be generated, right? Okay. Enterprise subscription. This is purely for bulk purchase of the subscription with the discount for a new license and software arrangement. Targeted a enterprise scale organizations. I told you clearly, right? It is for the organizations, not for individuals. Okay. Student subscription. This is purely for the students. You will get $100 credit for 12 months. This can be used or activated without a credit card. However, student verification is required. That's what I told clearly, right? Student verification is required. See, $100 credit, but student verification. Your email ID of your university is required, but which is not possible. Clear? Let me know any questions. All right. Any questions, guys?
No question.
No, sir.
No.
Okay. All right. Then let me take you through the account creation. Right? We should know how to create the account, right? Let me share my screen. This is very, very important, guys. If you don't know how to create the account, then how will you work with the Azure? You must have to know. Okay. All right. Fine. Well and good, sir. So whatever you told as of now, I understand. So let's come with the practicals. Okay. Fine. So same thing, whatever we have discussed. In order to sign up with the Azure account, you must require an email ID and a phone number is mandatory. Okay. Sir, now what email ID we need? What kind of email IDs they will accept? This is the question. Okay. Sir, my recommendation, you have to use, or you must have to create a Outlook account, MSN account, or Hotmail. Sir, why Outlook, why MSN, or why Hotmail? Why only Hotmail? Why only Outlook? Why only MSN account? Because these are Microsoft accounts, right? Outlook is a Microsoft product, right? Right or wrong? So try to use Hotmail, Live, MSN, or Outlook. Sir, now I don't know, sir, how to create Outlook account. It is very easy, sir. Don't need to worry at all with that. How to create the Microsoft, sorry, Outlook account, how to create, sir? Type Outlook, create your Microsoft account, right? See, sir, create an account, right? Go here, create an account. So what kind of account that you want to use it? Let's suppose I want to use Vishal 123. Next. So you have types Outlook or Hotmail. Outlook. Let's suppose Outlook. If this is available, it will show it is available. If not available, this name is already used. Right? Same like when you are trying to create a Gmail, it will show you the same thing, right? Clear, sir?
Yes.
Now this it is given some recommendation. This is not available. This is available. Use it. Click on next. Create the password. Right? Strong password. This password must be strong password. I'm keeping some password. India. So your date of birth, right? Click on next, your account will be created. Done. Sir, it is easy to create the account, sir. Outlook account, it's easy, right? Once the account is ready. Let's suppose account is ready. My account is ready. Now I have created next, date of birth, everything I have given. Click on next, then done. My account creation is done. So once the account creation is done, now what I've done, I have created account. What account I have created? I have created account called, just now I have created, right? What is the account name? Outlook account. Or you can create a Hotmail also. Okay, well and good. Hotmail also you can use, Outlook also, or MSN account, Microsoft account. MSN also you can use. Okay, now what account I have created? Outlook. If you already having a Outlook account, yes, it is well and good. Use the same thing. Okay. Now Outlook account I have created shell 123 at the rate of outlook.com, right? With some password. This is my account. Get ready with the account. First step is you must have to have a account. Sir, if you already having an account, yes, sir, it's okay, sir. You can use the same account. If you don't have, then get it created, the Outlook or MSN or Hotmail account. Clear? Any questions? Okay. Now, some guys having a lot of questions. Sir, what is this? Sir, can I use a Gmail account? Right? Can I use a Gmail or Yahoo? They'll say a lot of accounts, right? Yes, sir, you can use it. But however, I recommend to use only these accounts only. Outlook, Hotmail, or MSN account only. Why? Because so your product is Microsoft product, your account is Microsoft account. So then it is well and good. Okay. Sir, can I use a Gmail account? Yes, sir, you can use it, sir. But however, I recommend to use Outlook account or MSN or Hotmail accounts only. Even though if you have a Gmail account, try to create one Outlook account and get it signed. Clear? Clear, sir?
Yes.
So how to create a Microsoft account? Just go
Yeah.
to Google, type Outlook or Hotmail, create account. You need to sign up. You have to give the unique name, then password, then your details like your country and your date of birth or something, whatever details they ask, and phone number, give the phone number, and your account will be created. Done? Well and good. All right. Fine. Okay, sir. I have created the account, sir. My Outlook account is ready. Now what I have to do? Once your Outlook account is ready, then you have to sign up to the Azure portal, right? So how to sign up to the Azure portal? Azure portal is nothing but Azure account. Or Azure portal is nothing but the URL, guys, where you are going to create the services. It will be like this. How your Azure will be look like this. I'll take you through. Don't worry. This is a portal, sir. This is Azure portal, right? Your portal will looks like this. So see my account, my account. This is my account, right? Clear? This is my account. How I have signed up? Because my subscription model I'll show you later. Okay, now try to understand. So in order to open this portal, you have to sign up. In order to sign up this portal, you must have an account called Outlook account or MSN or Hotmail account. Now I have created the account. Now, okay, done. Okay, right. So now what is the next important factor? Okay, in order to sign into the portal or in order to start your portal signing. Okay, click this link or just go to Google and type Azure portal sign up, right? First, whatever you got, this is the one. Click on here, create your Azure free account. Okay, right. So build in the cloud with an Azure account, right? So you have two options: pay as you go, try for free. Okay, sir. Now where is the student subscription, sir? Show me, sir, where is the student subscription? Okay, student subscription. You want to get the student subscription? You have to Azure portal sign up for student. See, this is a different link. See, clear? Okay, I'll take you through student, sir. So, but not required. But let me take you through. Okay, right. You have to sign up with your email ID and password. Click on next. So once you click on the next, it will ask you for the details of your university and related details. Right? You have to give the university email ID. Then it will send an OTP to the university email ID. That OTP you have to verify for the account activation. Done? Okay. Right. So this is for Azure student account. Student account which is not applicable for us, right? Okay. Right. So then go up. You can see pay as you go or free account. Try Azure for free. Click on try Azure for free. Right? Now it will ask you for the sign up. Okay, here from here also you can create the account. Say new no account, create one. It will take you through the same screen like a account creation screen. See, got the point, guys. Two things, guys.
Yes.
First, create the account, then come and sign up. That is one part. Then at the same time, you can create the account and you can sign up. That is also available. Okay, here also you can do the same thing. Okay, Sean, 3, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1. Okay, at the rate of outlook.com. I'm checking whether this account is available. See, Outlook or Hotmail. Yes, it is available. Right? Use the password. Try to create the account. Next, you will ask you for the country details followed by your date of birth and everything. This is also same. Your account, you are creating the account. Right? Okay. Right. If you already created the account, let's suppose you already created the account and you come back. So then what you have to do? Sign up with the account. Then sign up with the account. Once you sign up, click on next, it will sign up. Okay. After you sign up to the Azure account, so how your portal will looks like this. Your portal will looks like this. Okay. Done. Once you log in, right. Okay. Once you log in, you will get this screen. In this screen, you will get you have to sign up for here you will get the screen for to subscribe for you just log into the portal. That's it. You cannot use any services. Here you will get an option called subscriptions. See, right now I am belongs to a subscription called pay as you go. See my subscription name, right? This is a pay as you go subscription. That's why I can able to see all the services. But for the first time, if you log in, you cannot see. Okay, you cannot see. And how the screen will be, your screen, your screen looks like this. Your screen will be the moment you have signed up, you will see the account like this. This is login screen, sign in screen. You have to sign in, username and password, then it will come like this, right? Here you have to do, right? Okay, about you. What is about you? You have to, about you means your username, sorry, your name, see your name and your first name, last name. Provide all the details, guys. You know how to, what is your first name, last name and all, right? Email ID, it will take by default. Whatever you have given, that email ID, it will take, right? You have to click on the you have to click on the free subscription. See, Azure free account. So if you are, first time if you are using, if the credit card is already used by someone, then you have to click on the, which option? Which
Pay
one
as
you
you
have to
go.
use? Correct, exactly. So you have to use the pay as you go. Free, if you are using for the first time, you have to use the try Azure for free. If this credit card is already used, and go for the pay as you go subscription. Clear? Any questions? Let me know. Done. So once you click on here, it will take you through the options like your name, first name, last name, work. Like here you have to give the phone number, right? Organization, give self. PAN ID, give your PAN ID. No issue, sir. Sir, you will get lot of questions. Sir, if I give my PAN card ID, what will happen, sir? Nothing will happen, sir. What they are going to do with your PAN card, right? Not going to do anything with your PAN card. Okay. All right. And country, give the country as India, and your first name, last name, sir. If you are from some other country, give the same country, sir. Don't. It is not necessary to give all the time India. So wherever you are from, country or region, select that country or region. If you are from India, select India. If you are from some other country like US or UK or any other countries, use the country appropriately. Right. PAN ID, give the PAN ID. Right. See, you are from India, it will take the India +1. You have to input the phone number here and send text to me or call me. It will give you some verification ID, OTP, one time password. So you have to get the input ID here and it will verify your phone number. Sir, now you'll get a question, sir. Is it mandatory to verify the phone number? Yes, it is 100% mandatory. You have to verify the phone number. If you don't verify the phone number, sorry, there is no option to skip it. Your phone number verification is mandatory. Done. Okay. Next one is, second screen is identity verification by phone number. See, sir, identity verification by phone number. First screen is about you. Second is identity verification by you. Right. And the third screen is identity verification by card. This is very, very, very important. Here you have to provide your card number. See, sir, card type. That's what I told. You must have a Visa or MasterCard only. Is it accepting any other card types? No, only Visa or MasterCard only. Card number, provide the card number, CVV, name on card. Address line, keep some, let's suppose you are from Delhi, keep Delhi. If you are from Mumbai, keep it Mumbai. Clear? Okay, done. Done, any questions? Okay. Sir, it is asking my address and all. Give some address, sir. What is the issue? Okay, address line 1, keep it Delhi or something. Address line 2, keep your some village name or for your town or city name, and then followed by the pin code. Give me the pin code. So Delhi pin code, you know, you don't know Delhi pin code under, just help with the Google. Right. So you have to agree the terms and conditions of the Microsoft. Yes. Agree? That's it. Okay, right. Sir, here one small thing, sir. So what is this? You have to understand, right? Okay. So now what is happening after the moment your credit card details have been entered? So initially 2 rupees INR will be debited from your account. You must have to verify your card. Sir, why the verification is required? Now the $1,000,000 question. Sir, I can give any detail, sir. Right or wrong? I can give you card number, let's suppose ABC 123 589, some random characters, 16 digit I will give you. Month and expiry I will give. Name on card I will give something. Right? How Microsoft will know this card is a valid card or not? Right? Tell me, sir, how they will come to know this card, whatever you have given, it's a valid card or not? How, sir? Because they will start debiting 2 rupees INR from your account. Right? This 2 rupees INR will be debited from your account. You'll get a one OTP, right? That OTP you have to enter so that your account will be debited. If you put it a OTP for your credit card verification, if there is no OTP, automatically it will debit it 2 rupees, right? You know the payment system, how the payment system will works, right? Okay, sir. Now you will have a question, sir. Why the 2 rupees will be debited, sir? So because in order to verify that the card is valid card, if you let's suppose you give a invalid card, some random details if you fill, how they will come to know that it's a valid card or not? Correct? Microsoft is not a dumb guy, right? Microsoft is not a dumb organization. They know they are clever than us, right? Because our guys are very clever, right? They'll give some random card and say that this is a card. Okay, that's the reason why the card verification is must. You must have to verify the card. So 2 rupees INR will be debited and this 2 rupees INR will be credited back to your account, right? Until unless you verify the card, until unless you verify the card, your account will not be activated. Once your card verification is done, then only account will be activated for free subscription or pay as you go subscription. Clear, sir?
Yes.
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 Okay. If you let's suppose name on card you give differently, something, it won't take, sir. Right? Correct, right? You have to give the correct details. Okay. Sir, if I give all the details, Microsoft will do something to my card. No, sir. How can they do? Okay. They cannot do until unless you have to accept the terms and conditions. Until unless your OTP has been given to them, they cannot do anything. Okay. If you don't cancel the subscription after 30 days, that also they don't charge anything because once you upgrade it to the pay as you go subscription only, they will start the charging. Let's suppose, sir, I have signed up for the free subscription, sir. After 30 days, I did not cancel my subscription, sir. Will they charge from my card? No, sir. No way. They don't charge because free subscription is only for 30 days. After 30 days, if you upgrade your subscription to the pay as you go subscription only, and that too, if you use the services only, you will get the billing. Otherwise, if you don't use any services, your account is simply like ideal, no charges. Clear? Don't worry on this part. If you create some service and keep it and you left it like this, your bill will be generated. If you don't create any service and your account is existed, no issue at all. Done? Sir, your account is created, sir. If you haven't created any service in Azure, no issue, sir. Your account is created and you have created some service with the free account. After 30 days, your account will be expired. No, you cannot use it. Once you upgrade to the pay as you go, then if you create any service and leave it like this, your bill will be generated in the back end. Okay, your account is upgraded to pay as you go and you haven't created any service, no issue at all. Your bill will not be there. Right? Sir, it's completely depend on your usage, sir. If you don't use, no bill. No usage, no bill. You started usaging and you haven't deleted on time. You kept it the service like this, your bill will be keep on running. Right or wrong? Sir, right or wrong? Hello?
Yes. Yeah.
Yes, sir,
Yes, sir.
right. Yes.
Right,
Yes.
right.
Ah, now many person will have a many questions. Sir, is there any option, sir? Can I keep my account into the pass mode or hold? Can I hold my account for some time? No such option at all. There is no option like I can pass my account for 1 day, 2 days, 10 days, then I'll come back again, I'll start using. No way. No, there is no such option. Okay? Be clear with the option. If you don't want any service, get it deleted. That's it. Use it 1 hour, 2 hours, how many hours you want to use it and then delete. There is no such option the like I can pass for some time or my subscription should be passed for next 1 day. Okay, after 1 day I will use again reuse the services. No way, there is no such option. Be clear. If you don't want, get it deleted. That is the option. Right? I hope everyone is clear with the point, sir.
Yes. Yes, Vishal.
Okay, I have created a database. Next 2 days I don't want. Can I pass it for 2 days and after 2 days I'll use? I don't want to pay for 2 days. No, there is no such option. Right? If you don't want, get it deleted. Even though if you stop your services also, the backend, the bill will be generated. However, there is some, you can minimal the things, but you cannot completely avoid the bill. Right? You can minimize the bill by using some different techniques. You can minimize the bill. However, but you cannot avoid completely zero bill. If you don't want, delete. That's it. So we no need to worry once we join in the organization. We have to be more worry when we are working or when we are practicing as a individual with the pay as you go account, because the money will be go from our account, right? Our money will be debited from our pocket or from our card. So we should be more cautious when we are working with the pay as you go subscription. When we are working for organization, no need to worry because organization is going to pay, because you are just a technical guy to creating the services, or you are giving the your service to the organization. That's it. The billing part and will be taken care by your organization, not by you. You don't need to worry at all. Clear? I hope so. The question is very clear to everyone.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Right. Now, what is the next part? Once you sign up, everything is ready. Your account will be ready. Right. So then, the moment everything is ready, your account will be, your portal will be looks like this. This is the first portal screen. It will be looks like this. The portal will looks like this. Any questions? Okay. Now the very important thing. Let me share the documents. Okay. Now what you guys have to do? Sorry. Now what you guys have to do? By next class, you have to be ready with the account. Sorry, either you are going to create it for today, tomorrow, or by Friday, it's up to you. But by next class, be ready with the account creation, right? So how to create the account, what are the different subscription, everything I have taken through right now. Any questions, let me know, sir. Any questions, please let me know. By next class, everyone must be sign up with the account and come back with your account. Any challenges, I'll help out. This is
Vishal,
must, sir. If no
yeah,
account, sir, no usage of joining the class. I'm telling you frankly. No account. If you join the class also, there is no usage. Yeah, please go ahead.
yeah. Actually, I enrolled for the student account. I used to have it while my college, and I tried to open it, and seems like it went well. I see in the credits I have like the 136 CAD for the remaining rest of the year. That will be good, right, for the course?
You can go ahead and use it, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, right. For others, please get the things. Be ready. Where you are going to get your card and all, that's not my headache. You just go and take credit card from your friend, from your relatives, or from your wherever it is possible, get it and sign up. This is mandatory. Sir, I am joining the class or late. I will practice later, sir. No usage at all, sir. I am telling you frankly, no usage. Okay, sir, I'll sign up not by next class. After that class, I'll sign up. After 2 weeks, I'll sign up, sir. No, sir. Okay, not accepted. Please get your account ready by next class. Okay. If you don't have any, like, let's suppose your credit card is or someone's credit card is already used, get it, sign up with the pay as you go. I'll tell you with 2 to 3K how you will practice, right? Can't you spend at least 2 to 3K in order to practice the Azure? Come on, sir, you are
Yeah,
spending
sure.
more on this,
Yeah.
right? At least to get a job, you have to spend some amount, right? With zero, who will give you a job, sir? Okay, be ready.
Okay.
Be ready.
Okay, sir.
Can you